Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We recently had a lot of construction going on at our home and I had to provide coffee for everybody constantly. So I decided to try out these great cups. These are by Turbo Bee, and this is a complete set of cups that enable you to have coffee on the go anytime. So this set comes with the cups, cup sleeves, the covers, as well as stirrers. All of the cups are the 16-ounce size, and they're a great paper cup that make it really easy to just throw them in the trash when you're done. The sleeves provide protection in case that cup is too hot, and you can write on both the sleeve as well as the cup. I really like the covers because they are very professional. They even give you the warning that the contents may be hot. So these cups would be great if you're having a function, a party, or if you're having some kind of fundraiser, or even for at-home use like we opted to do. The stirrers come completely ready to be able to mix up your favorite coffee and get it prepared for company. And overall, I'm just so happy with this set. It was really convenient to have these ready so that I could provide coffee for everyone. This is a great set that are easy to dispose of, but that's just my point of view.